some new parts. Some previous owner mounted some kind of sport air filter, and I'm going to change that to the original air filter box. The issue at hand is broken rubber hose here somewhere, so engine light turns on, and the quick and dirty is to just pull this plug from the air mass meter English. Then the engine will run at predefined settings. So if we have an air leakage here, which we have, this will report the wrong value compared to the actual air getting into the engine, and the injectors will, it will not work great. So when you have this kind of error, when you're waiting for parts, just unplug this, and the car will run 2 rubber hoses, and hole sensor on the exhaust camshaft was giving some bad signals, so we're going to try to change that as well. Let's get started. Three different sizes. First was 7 millimeters, next was 8 millimeters. Whoever decided to mount this hose clamp this way didn't really think that through properly. Old one, new one. We're going to move this piece over to the new one, and we're going to try to turn the hose clamps, see if they're possible to have in a mirrored position, because they were, this one was like this, and I would like to have it, oh sorry, I would like to turn it like that. And the same way with this one, it was like that, and I will try to put it on like this. Hopefully we will have, they will be harder to spot, but I think they will be easier to access, and which is with some light you can actually check if it's on properly from the inside. And you can, yeah, you have to have smaller hands than me. No. Yeah, maybe. The lower one is definitely possible. The upper one, jury is still out on that one. I realized that I kind of don't know which way this is going to point, so it's quite stupid to tighten that anymore. I really like this car so far with regards to maintenance and repairs. It's been really nice to work with, but this is just stupid. Probably I should remove this thing. So that was a T40. Yeah, should have done that directly. That's good. It's bigger. So this is the broken one, and I think it's been broken for a while. It's probably it probably was broken when I bought it. So yeah, fresh. Here we have the new one, but we need to figure out how this is supposed to be mounted. since it was never here. And we need this. So that one goes in. Looks not quite the same, but 1703028, 1744467. So these are not the same units, but they seem to. This seemed to be possible to fit on that one, but does that help? Slightly different. This is maybe. It fits. Magic. Okay. Is it now possible to force this in here, or should I have done this another way? Hopefully we can put this back together now. It seems possible. That's how you do it. So this little bugger is here. So I'm going to try to loosen that, loosen the connector, and then loosen that nut. It's a nut here. Okay, step one. That's not the one. T30 Torx. Okay, I'm not putting that back. This was the solution. I was using these tools, 6.5mm socket, and that means that it's a little bit loose, but it worked. So that was the easy part. And hopefully this fits, but this is not looking good. But there's no O-ring on this one, so is that still? Much better. So here we have the one who was actually there. Here we have a regular, but it's a bit longer. So here's the original one. I won't put that back because it was a pain to get out. I would put this back. I adjusted the length with another nut, and I think that would be good. Oh, that's a bit much. So much better solution. Putting the connector back. And here's the connector. Seems to be a bit broken. It's only possible to get it in one way, so there we have it. I'm happy with the outcome. I got this filter box fitted. Very nice upgrade compared to the air filter that was here before. Changing these and replacing this sensor. I think this will run for quite a while now.